say, kama kuna jambo ambalo unaona hii haijaenda vizuri, uniambie. I'm always quick to admit hiyo ni makosa, wacha nirekebisha. Lakini usilete fitina for the sake of it. Mtoto sio wa mwalimu, mtoto ni mtoto wako, ni mtoto wangu. So elimu ya kwanza inaanzia wapi? Nyumbani. We also have a duty to make sure that we provide for that child. But we want to ensure that we also support you kama mzazi as a government. There are programs that are running. And I want to appreciate the initiatives that have been put in place by His Excellency the President. It cannot be 100%. There are weaknesses. And all of us have to be part of the solution, not pulling down everything that it is not working.